You're rowing your chair. You're rowing your chair. He loved to play my hair. Scared of Jasmine? Huh? You scared of Jasmine? Huh? Ganyan lang siya, higa-higa, palaki sa tiyan, kain, tulog. Ganon yung gawain ng pusa. Nabubuhay siya kahit siya lang mag-isa. Basta may pagkain lang. Diba, meow meow? Matakot ka kay Jasmine? She's barking. Barking with you, meow meow.